Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Notion, fix sync error, page not updating between devices. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable mobile or network. Sync won't work offline. Next, first refresh your workspace. Pull down the page from the in the Notion app to refresh manually. This triggers the latest updates. After that, we're going to update your app. Go ahead, go to your app store, search for Notion, and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update your app to the latest version, and if there is not, then that means your app is already updated. After that, log out and log back in. Go ahead and click on your profile, log out, and then log back in with the method you have used earlier, and that's it. Privacy tip: avoid shared networks or public Wi-Fi for syncing sensitive workspace data. Quick fix: open Notion in Safari at notion.so to see if it changes. Appear 3. Appear if it changes, appear there. Restart your phone if the pages still don't update. Subscribe for more Notion troubleshooting hacks.